Introducing the brand. New 2025 Volkswagen Crafter, van, 140B horsepower, medium wheelbase, TRENDLNE VAT invoice. This stunning vehicle is packed with top-of-the-line features that will elevate your driving experience. From the comfortable air conditioning to the advanced safety features like anti-collision system and lane departure warning, this van has it all. With only 11 kilometres on the odometer, this 2-litre engine powerhouse is practically brand new and ready to hit the road. Plus, with features like cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity and USB12V Power Outlets, you'll have everything you need at your fingertips. Rest assured that this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information today.